Are you trying to figure out how to make money on TikTok? Well, in this video, you will learn my top 5 ways to make money on TikTok. TikTok is full of opportunity and there are many ways to make money with TikTok. And in this video, you're gonna find out the best 5 ways. If you get any kind of value from this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more content on how to make money online and affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how to make money on TikTok step by step, go ahead and check out the first link inside the description of this video. And without further ado, let's jump in to the training. Method number 1 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually my favorite way to make money on TikTok. If you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, basically what it is you promote a link for a company and then you get a commission every time you refer somebody to that company for a purchase. That way, you're making money and the company is also making money. And that's exactly what accounts like Twinkie Hustle are doing on TikTok. They're creating step-by-step videos that teach you how to become financially free and how to make money online through different side hustles. And they're actually promoting a company called Legendary Marketer, which is an online marketing education system. That way, they're able to actually go ahead and make $40,000 in 3 months just by promoting affiliate links on their TikTok channel. Another channel that's doing this very well is Make Money with Jessica on TikTok. She's also promoting the same company, Legendary Marketer, which is an online marketing education system, and she's making a lot of money from doing this. She just creates simple videos where she shows her personality, connects with her audience, and teaches them how to do things like affiliate marketing and how to make money online with different side hustles. And lastly, this is my TikTok channel, and I'm actually doing the same thing that they're doing. And if you want to take the same course that I took in order to learn how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, it's called 15-Second Free Leads. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description if you're interested, but it's a step-by-step training on how to build up your TikTok account and also how to do affiliate marketing like accounts like Twinkie Hustle. Method number 2 is the TikTok Creator Fund and coins. TikTok will actually pay you for the amount of views that you get on the TikTok platform. And if you do live streaming, you can also make money through a system called coins. Take a look at this blog article right here where it says how much TikTok paid me for 1.6 million views. And you're gonna be surprised that this isn't a lot of money. TikTok doesn't pay out a lot of money for the views that you get on your videos. As you can see here, you're gonna earn about 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So if you have a 1 million viewed video, you're gonna earn about $20 to $40, which isn't that much for 1 million views on the TikTok platform. And when it comes to TikTok coins, those actually don't make you very much money either. So you can see here, 100 coins when you're doing a live stream is going to equal $1.29. 500 coins is going to be $6.49. And if you get 10,000 coins, that's only $135, which is why I don't recommend the Creator Fund and coins being your number 1 way to make money on TikTok. But if you do want to go this route and make some extra money, then you can do something like Mr. Scary Stories here, where as you can see, they're getting a lot of views on their TikTok. So here's 1.1 million, here's 2.9 million, here's 500,000 here, here's another 100,000. So they're actually making decent money with the TikTok Creator Fund, but you're gonna have to do some kind of viral content on TikTok like Mr. Scary Stories in order to actually even earn decent money with the TikTok Creator Fund and coins. Method number 3 is using print on demand. So if you're unfamiliar with print on demand, basically what you do is you go over to a website like Printful, you create a t-shirt digitally, and then that company actually prints out that t-shirt and then ships it to your customer for you on demand. So every time you make a sale, then the company like Printful will actually print the t-shirt, ship it off to your customer, and you don't have to handle any inventory in the process. So here's an account called Little Pickle Boutique, and they are selling interesting t-shirts and sweatshirts that have TikTok sayings on them. You could easily do this inside of Printful by just creating the same kind of shirts, ordering one for yourself, and then revealing the writing on the t-shirts. Then you could host all of your t-shirts on a platform like Shopify and connect Printful to it easily because Printful actually connects to any platform or marketplace of your choice. Then you could create simple videos like this that reveal the writing on the different TikTok sayings and then link your Shopify account inside of the bio of your TikTok. Method number 4 is Amazon Finds. So Amazon Finds is a huge category on TikTok. A lot of people do these simple videos like you see here on Simple Sal Finds of just showing these interesting and creative products that are on Amazon. What they do is they just film how the product works. It's a simple video, and then they link out to Amazon so that you can purchase the product from them. So this is Simple Sal's Finds. This is his cake profile here, and as you can see, he has all of his live streams. He has his car must-haves, random Amazon finds, and every single time that you click on that, that's going to take you over to Amazon, and that is his affiliate link. So every time you open up one of those tabs, he's going to get paid if you decide to purchase any of these products listed on his Amazon storefront. In order to do this method, I would head over to Amazon Associates program and I would sign up for free to become an Amazon affiliate. Amazon Associates is Amazon's affiliate program, and it's really simple, free, and easy to sign up. When it asks you to put in your website, all you have to do is just put in your TikTok page, because as you can see here, who qualifies for the program? An influencer or anybody who has an established social media following, or anybody who has a mobile app can participate in this program. And TikTok would fall underneath that category for mobile app. Next, you would head over to TikTok and you would type in Amazon Finds. After that, you would click on videos, and inside the TikTok app, you would actually filter by the most recent videos and the ones that got the most likes. And then that's how you would decide which products are popular in that moment in time that should go order on Amazon and then make simple videos on TikTok promoting those products. Method number 5 is selling your own product. There are so many different products that you can sell on TikTok, and there's so many products right now that are popping off and becoming super popular on the platform that you can make a lot of money with just promoting them on TikTok. One of those is actually self-defense keychains. So as you can see here by Sky Defense, that's the name of the TikTok account, they create these simple keychains by ordering different items on places like Amazon or AliExpress, and then putting together these keychains and shipping them off to their customers who order them. In order to find the keychains, you could go to places like AliExpress, you could type in cat self-defense keychain, search for it, and then as we can see, those keychains are actually super cheap to order, so your profit margins are going to be very high on these keychains. Then you could list those items on places like Shopify to create your own store, and then you could sell people those keychains and make quite a bit of profit in the process. If we take a look at Sky Defense Store right here, this is going to be their store where they host all of their different keychains. And you can see this is a very easy store to create and put together. It's not that difficult, but as you can see, they have pink keychains, they have solid colors, they have fabric, they have rubber, they have returned keychains where you could get a discount price on them. But as you can see, they're charging about $55, $56 for each one of these keychains. So they are making a lot of different profit if you order from places like AliExpress and pick up these keychain items for really cheap. Bonus method, no face videos. So I know I only said I was going to show you 5 of my favorite ways to make money on TikTok, but I wanted to throw in a bonus method because I think this way of doing TikTok is actually pretty genius. So I'm currently on the account for Manifestation86. And as you can see, all they do is create these simple videos that don't even have their voice in the background. And they just put simple text and sayings on these videos. And as you can see, they're getting quite a bit of engagement on these simple videos on TikTok. They've had over 13 million likes, and they have 907,000 followers just by doing these simple text videos. So you're probably wondering, how exactly are they making their money? Well, they're sending people to a ClickBank product, which is going to do a custom drawing of their soulmates. So you click here on Soulmate Sketch on their account, and then it takes you to this page right here. And this is actually a ClickBank product. So they're making money with affiliate marketing by getting people to this page, and then if somebody clicks on this and buys a soulmate drawing, then they're going to get money from ClickBank. If you're unfamiliar with ClickBank, it's an affiliate marketplace for a bunch of different products, and all you have to do is sign up to be an affiliate, and it's completely free to do so. Just click on affiliates, and then after you're on that tab, then you can just go ahead and click on Start Here and create a free account on ClickBank. Once you've logged into your ClickBank account, it's really easy to find products in order to promote. You just go down to this little storefront here, and that opens up the product section for ClickBank. So if we wanted to do something along the lines of finding your soulmate, then we can just go in here and type in soulmate. And as you can see here, here's the soulmate sketch. This is the exact product that Manifestation86 is promoting on their TikTok account. So if we go back, we can actually just click on promote, and you would just enter in your ClickBank nickname, generate hop links, and that's going to give you your affiliate link to use for this TikTok method. After you have your affiliate link for this method, then I just recommend creating simple videos and putting text. So I would actually go ahead and find other accounts just like Manifestation86, look at their content, find their most viral videos, and see why those videos went viral, and then take that content that they use, this text here, and turn it into your own content that you could use on your TikTok account. So now that you know the top 5 methods for making money on TikTok, I invite you to go check out 15-second free leads, which is my #1 recommended training program for making money on TikTok. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below inside the description of this video, but as you can see, a lot of people are actually getting success using this program, and it's only $1, so it is really worth it to check out. It's the same program that I took when I first started my TikTok account. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David. I make content about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to manage your social media accounts. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and I will see you inside the next one.